In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Asana. Whether you're managing leads, sales, or client relationships, Asana can be a powerful tool to help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. For those who don't have an account yet, you have options like Get Started or Try for Free to sign up. It's really straightforward, and once you're in, make sure you've accessed your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now we'll start by creating a new project. On your Asana dashboard, look for the plus new project button and give it a click. At this point you have a choice. You can opt for a blank project if you prefer building from scratch, or select from one of the available templates if you'd like some preset structure to get going. Either way, the goal is to set up a project space dedicated to your CRM. Next, it's time to define some custom fields. In your newly created project, you'll notice a Customize button located at the top right of your project page. Click on that, and you'll see an option to add field under Custom Fields. Here you'll want to create fields that serve the purpose of your CRM. Fields such as lead name, contact information, and company name can be set up as text fields. For fields like deal stage or priority, using drop-down menus with options such as prospecting, in negotiation, and closed can be immensely helpful. Don't forget to include fields for expected close date or lead source to keep things detailed and organized. Moving on, you'll need to add tasks for each client or deal you're managing. Simply click on plus add task and begin filling in the necessary details for each task, including the customer's name, deal stage, priority, and expected close date. Remember, assigning these tasks to the appropriate team member is crucial. Doing so ensures that everyone knows who's responsible for which client or deal. Now let's organize your CRM with sections and views. Create sections within your project for easy navigation. These sections could be labeled as new leads in progress, in negotiation, closed deals, and follow-up needed, helping you and your team track the pipeline effectively. To streamline your process further, we'll automate with Asana Rules. Hit that Customize button again and select Rules. Craft rules to automate tasks like assigning tasks when new leads are added, moving tasks across sections as they progress through different deal stages, and setting reminders for important dates. Finally, tracking progress is key, and Asana provides the tools to do just that. Go to the Dashboard tab to create visual reports, enabling you to keep an eye on the status of your deals and measure team performance at a glance. And there you have it, your CRM is now up and running in Asana.